Hello everyone, yeah, welcome back again. To this video, I'm just gonna be showing you how I withdraw or how you as well can withdraw your money from the Bamboo stock trading app into your bank account. I'm just gonna be taking you a step-by-step guide on how to do it. So kindly ensure you watch this video to the end and don't skip any part for any reason so you don't do something else. And if you're new in this channel, do your best to watch the previous helpful videos that I've dropped. I'll be dropping them right at the video description. Go and check them, watch them to have full understanding about this Bamboo app. So without further ado, let's get started. Currently been using the stock app, you have to ensure that you update the app because currently new update has been added. A whole lot of features has been added in this app. So do your best to update this app, and when you do, you are going to be seeing lots of features right here. Okay, so now for you to be able to withdraw your money, I'm just going to be showing you how to withdraw this $5 from this account straight into my bank account. So just click right here where you have this withdraw now. You click on it. Now as soon as you click on it, it will take you to the next page. Here it's going to load up this. All right, it's going to load up this. Kindly come to where that money is reflected. Right here you can see the money I want to withdraw is in NGN wallet. It is right here sitting on the NGN wallet in the stock app. So you tap on this section. Okay, tap on this section. Then as soon as you tap on that section, it will take you to the next step where you can insert the amount that you want to be withdrawing. All right, so inside here I want to be withdrawing just 2,100 naira. So you just type the amount in your keyboard, type it right here in your keyboard, and then afterwards go ahead and click on continue. And then when you click on that continue, it will now take you to this page. What you have to do here now is to select this NGN bank account because you want to be sending this money to your Nigerian bank account. Okay, now while you are sending this, you have to notice what is here. You can see payment fee. This payment fee is what the third party partner company, which is Flutterwave, is going to be deducting from your account. All right, it's going to be deducting this from your account and sending the rest to your bank account. Okay, so while knowing that, just go ahead and tap on NGN bank account right here. Okay, and afterwards you've typed it, you can now transfer this. You can link your bank account. Now this is the account that I've linked before, but if in case you haven't linked your bank account before, just come here and tap on this add a new bank account. Now as soon as you tap on that add a new bank account, now listen to this, guys. If you have not linked your bank account, or if you have linked your bank account before, just go ahead and proceed on this. All right, just tap on this, the account that you've linked. But in case you haven't linked your bank account, just come here, tap on add a new bank account. Okay, as soon as you tap on add a new bank account, it's going to take you right here where you can now go ahead and proceed and add your bank, another bank. Okay, now you tap on this bank name and then you tap on this drop down menu, and then a list of banks that are supported by the NGX will be reflected. Just go ahead and select the one, any one of your choice, and then insert your bank account details. You click on verify. All right, after clicking on verify, it's going to take you right here where you can select from the list of banks that are supported for you to be able to use and make withdrawals or in the stock market. Afterwards, it will take you to the next page. Just go ahead and insert your pin, your 4-digit pin that you use in creating your brokerage account. Just insert the 4-digit pin, and after inserting that 4-digit pin, it's going to take you to where you can review your amount that you want to be sending. So right here you can see I want to be sending 2,100 naira, but 45,000 naira, which is a stamp duty or withdrawal fee, has been added. All right, so go ahead and click on this proceed, and after clicking on proceed, you insert your pin, and after inserting your pin, it's gonna the withdrawal request is gonna be sent. And now this withdrawal is often within 24 hours, but if it doesn't land in your account before 24 hours, then you have to be in 2 working days. You will receive the alert in your linked bank account. Okay, so afterwards, just go ahead and click on you can view the transaction here if you like, or you can just go ahead and click on OK, thanks. And afterwards, this is what is going to be reflecting. Your transaction is going to be pending right here. Okay, it's going to be pending right here. So as soon as it's up to 1 to 2 business working days, the money is going to be sent to your account. All right, it's going to be sent to your account immediately. I hope that is clear enough. So that is it, guys. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ensure that you stay glued to the YouTube channel, because I'll be dropping more videos regarding these stock companies that you should be buying in order to make some dividends or profits from. And kindly ensure that you join the Telegram group, because there that is where we do drop most of the best current stocks to trade. Kindly ensure you join it to stay updated on when I'm dropping the next stocks to buy. And I'll be dropping the Telegram group right at the video description. Do your best to join and stay connected. So see you in the next video.